Hello Banaholics, I hope you all are fine. First of all, I would like to thank you for your kind support and love which you have shown in our previous video. Today we will explore the world superpower and the world's strongest currency, the US dollar. This is the flag of USA, which is the combination of three colors, red, blue and white. There are 13 stripes of red and white colors. In the blue section of the flag there are 50 stars which represents the 50 states of America. Here is the map of America. America is the third largest country by land in the world and the third biggest country by population. It has a population of 33 million people. In the neighbors, America has Canada on the upper side and Mexico on the lower side. America lies in the North American continent. America got its independence from Britain. First president of America was George Washington, and the capital of America is Washington DC, in which you can have a lot of places to visit. Most of the Americans live in cities. According to the numbers, 82% of the people of America lives in cities. America possesses the world's strongest economy, which stands on $20.1 trillion. The island code of America is +1. The iconic symbol of America is Statue of Liberty, and there is a fun fact that it was not built by America. It was gifted by France. The biggest office of the world is Pentagon, which is situated in Washington DC. New York is the biggest city of America. American people loves two things, pizza and Coke. According to the numbers, every American drinks 600 bottles of Coca-Cola every year. And according to the numbers also, every day American people eat pizza approximately of 18 acres. That leads America's biggest problem of obesity. 33% of the people of America are suffering from obesity. Every 8th person in America has worked in McDonald's, which was also established in America, and it is also an American chain. 47% of Americans are associated with the IT jobs directly or indirectly, which is the largest numbers. The places you must visit when you travel to America are Grand Canyon, Niagara Falls, Statue of Liberty, Yellowstone National Park. In fact, it was the first national park in the world which was established in 1980. Times Square, Las Vegas, Walt Disneyland. There are also a lot of places which you can visit, and they are also very famous in America. Today I am gonna tell you 10 mind-blowing facts about $1 bill. And this is we have $1 bill. This is the back side of the dollar bill. Let's hit the information part. Fact number 1. On the back side of the note or the bill, there are two circles which are called the Great Seals of America. It took 4 years to approve this design. On the right side of the note, there is an eagle, shield, 13 arrows and the olive plant and the 13 stars on the head of the eagle. The writing which is used in these seals are Latin American language. On the front side of the note, you can see the Federal Reserve Bank seals. These seals can tell you from where every single bill was printed. There are 12 reserve banks in USA. On the front side of the bill, we have George Washington. On its sides, there are two seals of Reserve Bank of America. There are 12 reserve banks of USA, and we can identify from where the bill was printed just by looking the bill seal. For example, if it is written B on the bill, it is printed from the Federal Reserve Bank of New York. Now, on the back side, we have two circles. On the right side, we have American symbol eagle. It represents strength, beauty and the sharpness. In the middle, we have shield. On right hand, it has 13 arrows, and on the left hand, there is a stem of olives. Arrows represents war and olive represents peace. On the upper side of eagle head, there are 13 stars which represents original 13 colonies of USA. For example, New Jersey, Georgia, Connecticut. Now on the left side, we have incomplete pyramid and a controversial all-seeing eye. Interestingly, pyramid has also 13 rows. All-seeing eye is controversial because it is also considered to be the sign of Illuminati. This eye represents the god that God is watching us and will protect us from evil. But still, Trump ruled there for 14 years. The language which is being used in these circles is Latin language. Burnaholics, do you know there is an owl and a spider in $1 bill? Do you want to find it? Let's find it. If you zoom into right side, you will find the number 1. On the upper left side of 1, you can find an owl. We still don't know why this is here. I think he came here for some food. The spider, look at the bottom of the bill. On the left side, you will find it. I think this is a spider. But what do you think? This is a spider or some printing error? Please give your opinion in the comment section below. All the good part is over. Now it's time to become the Burnaholic. This is the money which you feed